Hola, estudiantes. I just want to make you aware of some of the features that are on the Portales platform. I have signed on as a sample student, and this is the dashboard. This is the first thing you see when you log on. And the first thing that we see is that we have some activities that are due on Sunday. Now, depending on what class you're in, it's going to show different things. The September 2nd is the first due date, but then I also have a previous due date of something I did not do. I can do these. I'm not going to get credit for them because they're late, but I can still do them, and I highly encourage all of you to do them. On this tab, due dates, it shows me that I have a due date of September 2nd, and then I have another one coming up. When I click start, it's going to take me only to these activities that are due. But there's a ton of other things available for us. And to get there, you need to go to Content, Activities. It defaults to Lesson 6 because that's where we start in this book, depending on what level you're in. This is a 102 class, so if you're in a 101 class, it's going to start at Lección 1. If you're in an upper level class, it's going to start at that lesson. So here we are in Lesson 6, and over here, notice that it says All Activities. If it's on Assigned Only, it's simply going to show you the ones that are assigned, but I want to see everything that's available. So I click All Activities, and it shows me all of these other things that I can work on. These activities here that don't have a due date have not been assigned, but they are available to you to do. If you do these, the grade you receive does not go in the grade book because I didn't assign it. So if you do really well, it's not going to help your average, and if you do really badly, it's not going to hurt your average. But know that these are all here. I want us to look over here on the left-hand side at these different subsets. It always goes to contextos, and look here, contextos. If I want to do the fotonovela, I click on fotonovela, and now this says fotonovela, fotonovela, and I have some activities. And I move through estructura. There's the grammar. So that again is under content activities. And if I go back to the dashboard, it's simply going to show me the 36 activities by clicking start.